So Sarah, how can employers promote good mental health in the workforce?
So in a survey by CIPD last year, they found that 81% of employers wanted to increase their focus on employee mental health, and about a third of those have increased their budgets as well. So what those statistics show is that employers can and are looking to support staff and ways to implement that. Sometimes, however, companies can be a little bit unsure as to how to do that. It's really clear from these statistics that they want to do the right thing, but often they can be apprehensive about how to do so and how best to support their staff.
I agree, Sarah. One of the real challenges with managing mental health are managers with a lack of confidence or who fear making things worse by challenging an employee. What we've learned through many practical cases is actually it's really best not to let things fester. It's best to be proactive and have those conversations as soon as you can with employees that you think might be struggling.
And something we found here is that lots of organisations now offer employee assistance programmes and have those in place to support their staff. And statistically, these studies have shown that for every £1 companies are investing in that, they're actually generating that back several times over in terms of reduced sickness absence, presenteeism issues, and just commercial effectiveness as well.